How to save money on Christmas groceries. Want to enjoy a Christmas dinner without breaking the bank? Check out these top tips for a frugal festive feast. The price of an appetizer, entree, dessert, and alcohol may easily become out of control when added together. Ask guests who are coming over to your house to bring a plate to share, such as an appetizer, some sides, or a dessert, as well as their own drinks. This will reduce workload and stress in the kitchen and help with cost sharing. Traditional meats like glazed ham or turkey can be very pricey. Why not choose something a bit less expensive, like a roast chicken with homemade stuffing and sauces, or an oyster blade steak that can be marinated and cooked into a roast with stuffing. Additionally, there are less expensive meatless options available, such as a nut roast. Make your Christmas dinner centered on the classic vegetables that are in season in December because they are frequently less expensive. Green beans, broccoli, cabbage, carrots, and peas are a few of these. Fresh vegetables may cost more than frozen or canned versions. They can have lengthy shelf lives if stored properly, are very convenient, and are also quick to prepare. Your spending might quickly get out of control if you drink alcohol. You'll not only save money by switching to non-alcoholic fruit-based drinks, such flavored water or iced tea, but you'll also be helping out those who have to drive home. Are you cutting costs on the alcohol or rather try one of the other tips? Let me know in the comments. Find out what you currently have that you can use before you start arranging your Christmas dinner. Look through your cupboard for canned vegetables, herbs, spices, and seasonings to serve with the holiday meal or to include into homemade sauces. Consider your budget and how much you want to spend on Christmas dinner as well before deciding what you will serve. You can prepare incredibly delicious food on a small budget with some advanced planning and careful sourcing. Try a large salad bowl with a potato or rice filling and add cherry tomatoes, celery, and other veggies for Christmas color instead of stuffing your guests with pricey sides and nibbles. At Christmas, there are frequently leftovers, thus, avoid food waste by consuming them. Use the leftover turkey or chicken in a delectable Boxing Day curry, cut and combine with mashed potatoes to make patties, or incorporate some of the vegetables into a frittata. Merry Christmas everybody! I wish you a happy holiday with lots of love and little expense. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe,